Hello, welcome to our tutorial. In this part, we will discuss player customization. Over on the right, we have a player preview featuring a sample video where you will be able to observe the changes made. We have a title here so that it can appear in your browser tab. We have options to add tags for search tools, add a theme color to change the primary colors here in the bar below the player, add a background image or color to the player, and make this video private, which would require a password to view the stream in the player. We have additional features such as 360-degree view if you have videos in this format, automatic reconnection, automatic player playback, view count so viewers can see how many people are watching, the option for player 1.0 and player 2.0, hiding player icons, watermark insertion to be placed in a corner of the player, player sharing on social media, and the ability to insert a chat within the player. We also have the M3U8 or HLS code of the player from the stream. This does not load the player itself, but the source code for the player for embedding within websites and the direct link to the player to open it in the browser. We also have a code option to insert the mini player, which appears in the bottom right corner of your website screen.